Hi everyone! This is a tutorial on how to make a macrame wall hanging featuring a popular petal pattern. I'll guide you through every step. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you enjoy it. First, prepare your cords. I used white soft 3mm cord, 11 pieces 200 centimeters, 79 inches each, and 40 pieces 30 centimeters, 12 inches each. Brown firm 3mm cord, 12 pieces 500 centimeters, 197 inches / 16.4 feet each, and 25 pieces 30 centimeters, 12 inches each. Wooden beads optional. Take the white cords and attach them to the wooden dowel using a lark's head knot. I explained all the knots I'll be using in this tutorial in this video. Check it out if you're interested. Now tie square knots across the first row using all the cords. For each following row, leave 2 cords free on each side so the pattern gradually narrows toward the center. The spacing between my knots is approximately 3 centimeters, 1.2 inches. Now attach 4 cords on each side using lark's head knots. And now, the star of this video, the popular Pinterest pattern. Some people call it a shell, a leaf, or a flower. It doesn't really matter. It's very easy to make using double half hitch knots. Take the outermost cord as your filler cord and tie diagonal double half hitch knots from right to left. Then leave that filler cord aside and continue from the opposite side, using the outermost cord as your new filler cord. Work 3 rows this way. This will shift the pattern slightly to the right with each row. Then, for rows 5, 6, and 7, start from right to left, mirroring the petal shape. To make the petal curl inward, connect the first and last filler cords with a double half hitch knot. Make 5 petals like this. Now make 5 more petals, but this time mirror the entire pattern because we want the petals to form a circle. Everything stays the same. Just start working from left to right. Now we need to connect the petals at the bottom. Take the 2 upper filler cords and join them with a double half hitch knot. Then work 4 rows from top to bottom, each time using the free upper cord as your new filler cord. At the end, tie the cords together on the back of the piece with simple knots, pulling them tight so the petal curves into a boat-like shape. Leave the cords at the bottom of the petal hanging, trim the cords on the back, leaving a small tail, and secure the ends with silicone glue. Off camera, I separated the cords at the bottom of each petal into the individual strands they are made of, to add some waves and extra volume. I secure the end with a gathering knot, add a bead, and then attach a tassel. I also separate the white cords into individual strands. Now attach 2 cords on each side between the white and brown cords. These will become our spirals. The spirals are made using half square knots. I explain how to make them in more detail in this video. At the ends, I add beads. This is completely optional, and finish them with white tassels. I decided to add beads on a string, but this is completely optional. I also attach a hanging cord. I trim the ends, and our macrame wall hanging is finished. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and let me know what you think in the comments. Is there anything you'd change or add? And that's it for today. See you in the next video.